up like $350 for the days. Mom made it to my job fine. She did all right. She didn't have to have me help her or anything like that. But now we're gonna stop at this Cannery Hotel and Casino. We've never been there. We want to try it out, see what we can do. Hopefully we win a little bit of money. If not, get some good food in here. Come over here to the Cannery, just close to the job where I'm going to be working, and I'm like, ah, we'll try this place. Boom, couldn't believe it. We're up like $400 and some here. It's just unbelievable. We kept hitting on every machine almost we played, and you guys seen that line hit on the Buffalo. $400 and some on that one game. It was unbelievable. But now we're going to try this little cafe in here and check it out. We put a little bit more back, but we end up winning like $300 in this place. So that was a really good win. We're up like 400 for the day, which is unbelievable, amazing. Go back to Treasure Island right now. I gotta get my stuff ready for work tomorrow.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes, smiling while you're cursing.
Made it back to the hotel room. Mom did amazing driving. She got it. There's only a couple turns, so she did awesome. Right now I'm getting my lunch ready and I got my clothes ready for the new job. I want to have everything ready because I want to go downstairs and play a little. We're up like $350 for the day, so you know, I want to go. I'm not trying to put all my money back, but I want to go give it another shot. The biggest thing we've been doing is just playing max, like almost max bet. We were playing small. I know everybody always tells me that, JT, bet higher, JT bet, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to lose my money, and then I end up betting higher, and look what happens. So we're gonna go downstairs, play a little bit of Buffalo, and see if we can double that. You know, that'd be cool to come back to the room with like $600, $700, $1,000, $2,000 more. I'd be like, yes. So that's what we got going on. It's 3 something here now, so time is ticking away. I got to get up early at 4 a.m. so I'll probably have to go to bed about 9 or 10 tonight. Ugh, I haven't worked this early in a while, but I'm excited for the new job. I'm nervous, but everything's gonna work out in the end, and tomorrow I'll find out about the apartment, so fingers crossed, please. If not, we have some other options for apartments too. So.
Admit it's working, you're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
Gotta run to the car and grab my lunchbox. Lost $35 here. Of course. But we're up 45 here for the day. Back in the room right now, getting ready to edit the vlog from yesterday. I'm gonna have to stay in the room because I got to get up early and go to the new job. We end up winning $300 at Cannery and like $40 or $45 here, so about up $340 for the day. So that's really good. We'll take that. That's a huge win for us. And tomorrow we should hear the good news about getting that apartment and start the new job, and then Mom will probably get a job. That's it, guys. That's gonna be the end of the vlog for the day. Appreciate you all watching my video, subscribe to the channel, share my channel out. Let's run this up to 4K if we can, see how many people we can get. We're gonna do some walkthrough videos. We're gonna do plenty more slot play. JetLife 77 won $142 on the JT slot challenge. Right now Buffalo Gold is winning, so everybody go vote on my community tab if you want a different game. And this Saturday, I don't know if we'll go back to the link or we'll go to Cosmo or we'll go somewhere else, but we're gonna do another JT slot challenge and cross our fingers we all win again.
My mess up.